support area. We are slightly below it at the moment. As you can see, just slightly below it. We just have to watch and see where the market actually closes. Could it rebound and just close above it? And then we'll see what happens on Monday. So what we'll do for now, I'm going to just extend.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. We are looking at the Palladium chart, and we are gonna see where it's been over the week and which direction it's heading over the coming week. So this is the long-term view. So as we can see, we've come off the 1,000, so just below the 1,000, had a nice run up, and now we are trading within a parallel channel. So let's go in a little bit closer and have a closer look and see what's happened over the week and potentially where we could be heading. So let's just go in a little bit more. So you can see that long-term parallel channel. We can see this week we've traded lower, and it looks like we are potentially on the lower target of 1430. So let's just zoom in a little bit more. So here we go. So as we can see, from Monday, we've gone sideways, and Thursday we had a big drop, and today, which is Friday, they follow through on the drop. We seem to have passed the 1430 support. So let's just drag this across. So 1430. Okay. Are we going to close below it? We'll have to wait and see. However, you've got the bigger support around the 1400 area and the bottom of the bigger parallel channel as well. So I suspect this will be a strong area of support. So I should imagine that we should have some sort of bounce from this area. So let's go into the 1 hour. Let's just close it in, zoom in. So as we know, we've extended this 1430 support area. We are slightly below it at the moment. As you can see, just slightly below it. We just have to watch and see where the market actually closes. Could it rebound and just close above it? And then we'll see what happens on Monday. So what we'll do for now, I'm going to just extend the 1500 support, which we've clearly broken. So let's just go there, 1500 support. Here we go. We then have the 1550 resistant target area. Again, let's just extend that out. 1550. Here we go. As you can see from our last run, we bounced off the, I'll call it the 1480. Came out to 1480, and then we've gone almost as high as the 1550, and we've just dropped and come straight back in. Okay, I'll see if there's some sort of support and resistance around the 1463. Okay, so I'm just going to put a line so I can spot what looks like a potential area of resistance. So let's go across. There we go, it's just there. So we've got 1463. Let's put a note in there. So that will now become a resistance. Okay, so what do we have here? It's 1463, and apply. Okay, so an area to keep an eye on. So if we can turn back today, if this support area holds, we could have a little bit of resistance around the 1463. Once we break above it, then we can try and head back towards that 1,500 and the bigger area of the 1550. Okay, so let's just go into the 10 minutes for a little bit of a closer look. As we can see, this area here will be a major test. Let's see if it can hold, and let's see if it can turn back up and go from there. Obviously, if it doesn't hold, then let's have a quick look at the lower targets as well. So if it doesn't hold, we know we could be heading towards the 1380 and the 1360, which is the lower part of the parallel channel. Okay, that will conclude the chart for Palladium today. If you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, leave your comments, this will help the channel to grow. If there is any particular chart that you'd like me to have a look at, please leave in a comment. I'll have a look and let's see what we can find for you. But for now, thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.